Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a different kind of DIY. I'm going to share with you how I like to design my nails when I do them at home. So I'm going to share with you how I make my designer nail decals using my vinyl machine. So to get started, of course, you need to put your false nails on, and these are just a pair of false nails that covers the entire nail, and then I polish them in the desired paint that I would like. Then I'll head over to my computer where I find the designs that I want to put on for my nail decals. And I love Chanel, so I'm going to use the Chanel symbol, and I made each one of those little symbols the size of width 0.20. The width was 0.30 and the height was 0.22. So each one of them is that size so that they could fit nicely onto my nails. Now, if you need to, you can enlarge them just a little bit and still be fine. But it was the perfect size for me for what I wanted, the look that I was looking for, because I also wanted to add some rhinestones onto my nails as well. So once you have that sized, and I duplicated it so I can have plenty to use, I'm also going to use this metallic vinyl here. I was going to do 651, which you can totally do and probably would be easier to work with than this metallic vinyl here that I got from my local craft shop. So it doesn't have like a name brand on it or anything, but it is metallic vinyl. It's kind of like a chrome look. I sent that through the Cricut machine, and then I printed out the decals. Now, when I was printing out my decals on my computer settings or on the design space settings where they ask you for the speed of the Cricut machine, I changed it from default and I chose to select the more pressure. I would suggest that you don't do that because it prints or cuts rather so quickly that it tends to mess some of the designs up. So I would suggest you leave it as default or maybe even go for less. And this is how it looked when it came out. If you look closely, you can see where some of the letters or the symbols are a little bit messed up, like where they lifted up some and shifted, but that's okay. That's why I did a lot of them so that I can have backup. So I've polished my nails, and this is what I'm going to use, some tweezers. I like to use these tweezers here to kind of help me pick up the decals. I'm going to get these tweezers, and I'm going to, just like if you was putting them on a craft project or something, I'm going to pick them up, and then I'm going to place them on my nails in wherever I want to put them. And then off camera, I'm going to complete the design with some rhinestones. But I'll share with you how it all came out. But very simple, you guys. It is so simple to make these vinyl nail decals, designer nail decals with your Cricut machine. Save you a lot of money at home doing your little designs and stuff. It's not that hard. It's just very tedious and time consuming. Maybe with practice I can get a lot faster, because usually I just polish my nails. I don't usually do designs when I do decide to do anything to my nails, because I'm usually natural. And yeah, so anyway, you guys, I just wanted to come out here and share this with you so that you can see what I did to create these fabulous nails and share with you so that you can do the same. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for another DIY coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye.